when I was heavily delusional, I didn't expect that I gonna see delicious food in the apocalypse, but
しか何かの肉と野菜の煮たものでよかったら
let's make it together.
First, I'm going to brown some pork in the pot. I'm using pork chow for this recipe. I'm not going to fully cook the pork. I just want to get some aroma and flavor going. And then remove it out and add onion in. Cook until it becomes soft and translucent, and it's time for minced garlic. Saute it until it becomes fragrant, and now it's time to add pork back into the pot along with its juice. Stir-fry everything together until pork is evenly coated with onion and garlic mixture. I add potato in. For the stocking, I'm using dashi stock because this story is happened in Japan, but you can use any stock that you prefer. Season the stew with some dark soy sauce, honey, and miso paste. It's quite simple because miso have that strong flavor already. To thicken the stock, add cornstarch that I dissolve with water and stir until it's become glossy. I let the stew simmer on the low heat for an hour and then slide some leeks in. Let everything simmer again for another 15 minutes. And there you have it. The pork is super tender and goes well with miso and other savory flavor in the soup. I hope you give this recipe a try and thank you for watching.